Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Dolby Vision enhances brightness, contrast and color accuracy for more cinematic viewing experience, but it only works when you are or when your setup fully supports it. Okay, so first thing, I want you to check your TV. So make sure your TV supports Dolby Vision. Okay, so enable HDR or Dolby Vision in TV settings, often labeled as HDR or Dolby Vision or enhanced format. Okay, so use a compatible device. Like supported devices include smart TVs with Dolby Vision, streaming devices like Fire TV, Stick 4K, Apple TV 4K, etc. So device must support Dolby Vision outputs. Okay, so ensure proper HDMI setup, like use a high-speed HDMI cable, enable HDMI enhanced or similar settings on your TV. It is required for HDR signals. Okay, so check internet speed too, like recommended speed like between 15 to 25 megabytes per second or higher. Like stable connection is essential for HDR. Okay, find the Dolby Vision title, like open Prime Video, look for labels like Dolby Vision or HDR. Okay, not all HDR is Dolby Vision, so check carefully. Play the video, start playback, Dolby Vision activates automatically. Okay, so your TV may display a Dolby Vision indicator. So what happens after enabling? Enhanced brightness and contrast, more vivid and accurate colors, and improved overall picture quality. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.